Hello, sixth graders. I just wanted to go over some of these questions that were from our quiz on Friday. So this first one, it says Topher has 1/3 of a whole pizza. How many 1/6 of a whole pizza are there in 1/3? So in order to even set up this division problem, you need to know what are we starting with. Well, in this problem, it says Topher has 1/3 of a whole pizza. So we're starting with 1/3. So whatever you're always starting with always goes first in our division problem. So it's 1/3 divided by 1/6 because we're saying how many 1/6 are in 1/3. So we keep the 1/3, we change the division to multiplication, and then we flip or find the reciprocal of 1/6, and it's 6 over 1. So now we multiply straight across. 1 times 6 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. And we know that line stands for division. So 6 divided by 3, our answer is 2 for that problem, not 1/2. This person, if you answered 1/2, you did 1/6 divided by 1/3 or did something weird like that, and you would not get the same answer because we're starting with 1/3 of a pizza. Whatever you're starting with comes first. All right, so let's look at the next problem. Rosie's garden is 12 feet long. If she divides the length of the garden into 1/4 foot sections, how many sections will there be? So again, what are we starting with? Well, we're starting with a 12-foot garden. So it's 12 is what we're starting with. That comes first in our equation. We're dividing it into 1/4. And again, the same process applies. We keep whatever's first, we change the division to multiplication, and we flip 1/4 to 4 over 1, which is just the same thing as just 4. So 12 times 4 is 48. So 12 feet long, there are going to be 48 1/4 foot sections. All right. Let's look at the next one. 4 friends are sharing half a cake. So in this problem, we need to say, well, are we starting with 4 friends or are we starting with half of a cake? You're sharing half of a cake, so half comes first. Half divided by 4 friends. If you flip, you get 1/8. With a lot of these word problems, people got it messed up just because they would flip the order. Again, whatever you're starting with always comes first. All right, so let's look at the next problem. This is just a classic keep, change, flip problem. Keep whatever's first. So 4/11ths. Change the division to multiplication. Flip 1/7 to 7 over 1. And if you multiply straight across, you get 28/11ths. So this person, they probably did not flip, or they did it the opposite way. Something with their flipping or something like that, they got the incorrect answer. Always keep whatever's first, change in the middle, flip the last one. All right, let's look at this next one. Meg has 24 feet of ribbon that she wants to divide into 3/5 of a foot pieces. So again, she has 24 feet that she's starting with. So you start with 24, and she says she's dividing it into 3/5. It literally tells you 3/24 divided by 3/4. If you keep, change, flip, you end up getting 40. So in 24 feet of ribbon, there are 40 3/5 of a foot pieces. And the last problem that we have is, again, another keep, change, flip. Keep 4/5, change, flip 13 over 8, and you end up getting 13 over 10. Always keep, change, flip. Never forget whenever you have division and fractions. All right, and I think that is all I have for you.